Hello class, welcome back to the Chong channel. Right now we're looking at reviewing from the Algebra final question number 4. Alright, so here we're looking at which system of equations has the same solution as the system below. So which system of equations has the same solutions as the system below? Now, first of all, I'm just going to rewrite the original problem. So that's the first equation, linear equation. That's the second linear equation. And so together, this is called the system of equations. Now, if you look at the multiple choices, we have systems of equations. We're looking for which one has the same solution. Well, the method to do a question like this is simply as follows. Let's look at multiple choice 1. My first equation here, I started with a 3. But over here, it's a 6. So how do I get from 3 to 6? Well, I have to multiply by 2. So that's what I do here. I multiply by 2. I'm trying to match it. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative y is negative 2y, and 2 times 7 is 14. Quick review, this is what we call the distributive property. Okay, so now if I look at the multiple choice, so far it matches, so I put a check, that's good. Alright, so let's look at the second part. Here, I start with a 2. I need to get to a negative 6. So how do I do that? I multiply by negative 3. And so just like we did previously, we got to do the same thing. So we're going to do the distributive property. So we have negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. And then negative 3 times 12 is negative 36. Well, if I look at my equation that I ended up with and what I have here, if you notice, there's a slight difference. That does not match. And so what does that mean? This does not match. So it's not equivalent. Do not have the same solutions. So we're going to do exactly what we did over here for the other multiple choices. Oop. Oh boy. Okay, let me just rewrite it. All right. So once again, I rewrite my original problem. And so from here, just like we did before, I'm starting with a 3. Here I have 18. So how do I get from 3 to 18? I need to multiply by 6. So I'm going to do the distributive property. 6 times 3x is 18x. 6 times negative y is negative 6y. 6 times 7 is 42. So far, does it match? Yep, it does. So let's put a check. Now, over here, we start with the 2. I want 4, so we're going to multiply by 2. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 3y is 6y. And 2 times 12 is 24. And so let's see, does it match? Yes, it does. And so that's our answer. But remember, multiple choice questions are like picking a soulmate. You check till the end to make sure you're absolutely sure. And also, you could have made some careless mistakes here and there, so you want to be extra careful. So check till the end. All right, so now let's look at multiple choice 3. So here we started with 3. I want a negative 9, so I'm going to multiply this whole equation by negative 3. Negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. Negative 3 times a negative y, just in case you get confused here, there's an invisible 1 hiding here, so that's negative 3 times negative 1, which is positive 3. And negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. So once again, already here, if you look, doesn't match here. So that's why that's no good. Once one part does not match, the whole system does not match. All right, so let me quickly erase all this. Oops. Okay. So multiple choice 4, if you see here, we start with the 3, end up with the 3. So basically it means we're not changing anything. So the first equation did not change. That matches. Now here, it's a little different now. Before, whatever we started with, the multiple choice number got bigger. Now it seems like we're going in reverse now. So now let's start from the multiple choice. I started with a 1. I want to get to a 2. So what do I multiply by? 2. So sometimes that happens. We might have to show work in the multiple choice. So 2 times 1x is 2x, 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times 2 is 4. And now let's see, does that match? Absolutely not. And so we are absolutely sure choice 2 was correct. I hope that helped. Bye-bye.